I'm so scared. Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I am Diva Simesi, in case you don't already know, and in this video we're going to be trying out tattooed edges. All right guys, when I saw this trend, I knew I had to jump on it. Like, there was no way I wasn't going to test this out, because I've seen a lot of people do it and I was really curious, like, does it really work? Does it work as well as they claim it does? And I really wanted to see how it will look in person, so I had to try it. This is what it looks like, in case you don't know already, in case you've not seen it. This is what it looks like. It comes like this. It's like those temporary tattoos, all right, but for edges. So let's see how it turns up. Let's see how it comes out. So before we try out our tattooed edges, I'm going to be wearing my ponytail, all right, because this is just very simple. We want to go from basic to glam in like few seconds, all right. So before we do that, I'm just going to quickly show you the ponytail I'm going to be using. So the ponytail we're going to be using is from Natural Girl Wigs. They were kind enough to send me a package, all right. So this is it. They sent me their ponytail, all right. So I'm just going to leave the name. I think it's their Fox ponytail. I'm going to leave the name on the screen here for you to see. And this is what it looks like, guys. This is so nice. The texture is actually like really great. I don't know if you can see it, like inches, baby, inches. Like, so this is what the inside looks like. It's like your normal ponytail wig, right? It has the comb for you to put in, then it has the drawstring for you to, you know, tie around and make your hair tight. All right, it's actually pretty amazing. So let's just go ahead to put that in. So lovelies, I put on the ponytail wig, and guys, it is given. It is given. Like, can you just take a look at it? It is really giving, and I'm so in love with the texture. Like, it's really nice. It feels so amazing. I'm not even kidding. So they don't just sell ponytails, they actually also sell wigs and clip-ins. So if in case you want to go ahead to check them out, I'm going to leave the link in my description box. I actually also have a code with them to help you get some coins of it when you're purchasing. You could go ahead to use my code. I'm going to leave it here, all right. You could go ahead to use my code, all right. So now the star of the moment, all right, our tattooed edges. I got them in two styles, like I said previously. So this is how it comes. It comes like in a pack like this. It comes in a pack like this. It has the left and right sides on it, so you just go ahead to cut them in two pieces. So this is how I went ahead to cut mine. All right, I cut it like, I didn't cut it straight, I kind of followed the shape, so it kind of gives you like, you kind of know what you're working with, if that makes any sense. Like, you kind of see the curve and know how you want to place it. So I actually think you should go ahead to cut them up like this instead of just cutting it straight, so you kind of see what you're working with. So okay, so I'm going to go ahead to try one of these. You can see with the edges, it's for this side. I'm really nervous. I'm actually very nervous trying it. Okay, no, it's not for this side. It's not for this side. Why? Because if you turn it, you have to turn it to press it in with water, all right, with a damp cloth. So it's actually for this side and not for this side. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead. So all you have to do is like open it. All right, so you open it, you have this, I don't know, because my edges are like really out, unlike some people. So, and I don't want to put it on my hair, because if I put it on my hair, I know it's not going to stick. So I don't know, we'll just see how it comes out. So so edges down here. Okay. I'm really scared, guys. I don't know, it's not sticking. Okay, I'm just going to hold it and press it with This is just my kitchen towel. I just wet it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and press it in. I'm praying I don't do a bad job because I don't really know how to do this. All right, so I'm just damping it in. Oh Lord. Okay, I think it's sticking, but it's not sticking fully. I'm really worried. I'm really worried for myself right now. Like, I don't even know if it just keeps. Oh, I'm so scared. Okay, I don't think it agrees with makeup so much. Oh my god. Okay, I'm just going to try it again. I'm going to clean my makeup around my hair. So lovely, take 2. All right, I advise if you're doing this, please have a bunch around lying down. All right, we have this here. Okay. All right, so I'm going to concentrate on this one and make sure it comes out right. Like, this one actually stayed better than the last one, though it has a tear here because I wiped it too hard, but it's actually sticking better than the other one. The other one wasn't even sticking, so I guess it was my makeup because I had to clean that layer of makeup off. So it's like much easier to just dab in. All right, so I don't think it agrees with makeup. So like just so much more easier. It's actually so much more easier now, guys, because I just have to dab in. I'm not trying to do any other thing. Okay. I'm so scared. I'm literally so scared. Oh no, that's not well put on. Okay, let me see. Oh no. Okay. We just have to make that work. Okay. Just have to dab it on. Honestly, it is a struggle. I mean, I don't even struggle with things like that. Okay, it's not sticking on there because my hair is out. You know, I told you guys I have like edges. My edges are my hairline rather. My hairline is like this, then it comes out with air. So it's not sticking because I have hair there. Ooh. So next time I know when I'm doing this side, I'm going to try and bring it out of my edges. Okay, so it doesn't stick to your hairline actually. Okay, is this one ready? Oh. This is a mess. It doesn't stick to makeup, it doesn't stick to hair. I mean, how do I wear it then? It's a struggle. It's actually a struggle. I'm not even going to lie. I didn't know it was going to take this much to get it on. All right, but now I know what it likes and what it doesn't like. So I'm just going to go ahead to clean my other side of makeup. I'm going to clean it very well and then avoid my hairline. And then we'll see how it goes. I'm actually so nervous, guys. Like, I'm not even playing. Like, I'm so scared because I actually want this to come out well. I would prefer to keep going in than taking it off and it's not nice, to be honest. I'm going to remove it little by little, and if it needs any adjustment, I'm just going to go over that place. Okay. Okay, I've seen one adjustment. This is a struggle. I don't think I can do this every day. I mean, finally, like, finally. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and touch these parts that are raising up with the water. Okay, so, oh, this didn't stick very well. The edges didn't stick because like there's makeup, or my makeup rather. I don't know if it does that with all makeup, but my makeup is just not agreeing with it. Ooh, is she giving you edges or what? Like, okay, this side is damaged, but I mean, I won't have my edges coming like this, but I think it looks so cute. It looks so cute. And if someone has like a bigger forehead space, I think it will look so damn good on them, because like it will just, you know, make up for the spaces. But this is nice. It's nice. It looks nice on camera. Is it giving me? No, the on ground it has a lot of shine. It gives the shine of like a temporary tattoo. It does give that shine. I mean, if I should have a cute filter on, like nobody's gonna know. Like, how would they know? They're not going to be able to tell any difference. So this is what it looks like. Will I be trying this? Will I wear this out? I don't know. I don't think I will, to be honest with you. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Do you think I didn't put it right? Do you think maybe there was somewhere I could have salvaged this, but I did not? It is what it is, to be honest. That's, you guys saw everything on camera. This is what it gave me. This is the final outcome. This is how it's looking. I don't think it's so bad. It doesn't even look so bad on camera, or it doesn't look so bad if I'm far away. I don't think so. But like, if someone should walk up to me, the person will know that something is wrong. Like what is going on? You know why I think this would work so perfectly is if the person doesn't have a lot of hairline in front, like your hairline isn't so pushed out, and then you use it. I think it will work so well. And then maybe you tie a scarf around it, like you push it here. Maybe I didn't have all this hairline, right? You push it here, then you just tie a scarf. I think it will look so nice because you'll be covering the like edges that are not so sticky. I don't know, but I just feel if you don't have a lot of hair to work with, it's going to be so nice on the person. But for me, I don't know. I just really wanted to try it out because I'm really bad with edges, and I just thought this was my lifesaver. But maybe it's the style. There's another thing. It could be the style of the edges that I picked, because there are 1 to 6 styles. I just really wanted to go with this. In case you're interested in trying it out, I'm going to link it down below for you to check out. Honestly guys, tell me what you think down below. Tell me your opinion. Let us spark a conversation down below, because I'm so intrigued and I really want to know what you guys thought about the whole video. So let me know down below, okay? Let me know everything you think. Please just come gently. But overall, I don't think it's that bad. I will give this a 5 over 10. Let me know what you rate it down below. I'm really intrigued to see what you would rate it down below. I will give it a 5 over 10 because it does the work, but you just have to be very precise and, you know what you're doing. So lovelies, that is the end of this video. I really hope you liked it. I really hope at least it was enjoyable for you. All right, thank you so much for watching to this point of the video. If you've not liked this video, make sure to give it the thumbs up. All right, give it a thumbs up. Just give it a thumbs up, comment. It boosts the video up, it helps my channel. All right, so you can go ahead to check out my other videos, my other tutorials. I have a braided wig tutorial. I have a whole playlist you could check out, a whole hair playlist you could check out, and maybe you find something you might like. All right, so make sure to do that. Also, I'm going to leave it up here. All right, so make sure to check it out. All right, thank you so much for watching to the end of this video. And if you watched to the end of this video, you already know you're the what? You already know you're the real MVP. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for sticking by me, and I'll see you in my next video. Love you guys. Mwah. Bye.